Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. This is Chloe from Cousin DIY in Largo, Florida. Today we have two special guests. Paige.
Hi, I'm Paige.
She's visiting from Vermont. She happens to be my granddaughter. And Emma, whose father works here at our company, and she is from Florida. Today we're going to make St. Patrick's Day slime, and these girls say they're slime experts. So let's get started. Paige is going to make gold slime, and Emma's going to make green slime. So first thing we're going to do is each of you take your water, can you reach it? And dump that in your bowl. And I'll take that bowl. And the next thing we're going to do is add our glue. And this is about a cup of glue. So about a quarter cup of water and 1 cup of glue. And we're going to dump that
right
into your bowl, the whole thing. You can use a spatula to get it all
I think
out.
this one would be best for this.
Okay. Oh, use a spoon. You want to use a spoon to get it all out?
I don't know.
Then after you've got most of it in there.
Okay. I got most of it in there.
Alrighty.
Okay. I'm gonna put
Then take
here.
a big spatula.
Well, this is not my biggest, but
That's okay. It'll do the job, right?
yeah.
There, good job. Then I would switch, you can set that down, I'd switch to a spatula. And then you're going to mix that together really well.
Okay.
Good job. Mix, mix, mix. You can't over mix. So we used clear glue today because we want to be able to see through our slime.
But we're also going to make it gold. And green.
Right. Now, when you think it's good and mixed, you let me know. And then Paige is going to add yellow food coloring, and I'm going to take the top off. We'll do Paige first.
What can I do?
Yeah. Give it about 3 good squirts.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, and we can always add more, and keep stirring.
Okay.
And Emma is going to make green slime, so give that a good 3 squirts, and we can always add more. We want to make it a nice deep color. So stir that up. Blend it together. You want it more?
Yeah.
A little bit more? Okay, you can add another squirt. Yeah, you need more green, definitely. That's okay, we'll get that later. Yeah, I'd put a little more green in too. And then I'd start stirring around the edges too. Mix it all up really well. Whoops, that's okay.
Is it almost done?
Just wipe it on here.
Does this look good to you?
Here we go.
That looks gold to me.
That looks pretty gold.
Okay. Well, yellow. So it's our next step.
Well, let's wait for Emma.
Okay. I think I'm ready.
I think that needs to get stirred a little bit more because I can see streaks.
Okay. Wait, do we want air bubbles in this?
You know, I would take our little spoons. There, that tells us what the color is like.
No, this also does.
Yeah. Yours is nice and yellowy gold.
Well, this looks so gold, though.
Let's see. Oh, do you want a little greener or do you think that's good?
Greener.
Greener? I think green, it takes a little more green. There.
Yeah.
I bet that'll be good. And use this.
Yeah,
And then we'll test it with this. Back and forth, round. Good job. Oh, that's getting nice and green.
Can I see the green?
Yeah, we're going to spoon it.
Pretty.
That's looking good, Emma.
That one. Ooh.
Okay. At this point, we're going to add the glitter. Now, I think we're going to add gold glitter, and you can start with a little bit in green to yours. So start with like maybe half half of it, and we can always add more. I would just do it like by pouring. Pour half of it. And we can always add more. Keep stirring. We can always add more. Stir.
Go ahead. Here we go. Oh, this gold is looking so good.
Ooh, so Emma's is too. Gold is really standing out in the green, and the green is really standing out in the gold. You can put as much as you want. When you think it's enough, oh, she went for the whole thing. Oh, they're both going for the whole thing. Stir that in. Now you're going to stir it all in, totally. Get the sides.
And
wow.
And now it looks so glittery.
That is looking very, very, very good.
Oh my gosh, it looks teal.
That looks awesome. She would like to see yours. See what hers is looking like, Emma?
Can I see yours?
Yeah, and hers is looking like
green still.
Wow.
So I think both of these at the end are gonna look like green.
So the next step is to slowly stir in, each of you, approximately a quarter cup of starch. And we're gonna go, so I'm gonna do this for you while you're stirring. I'm gonna do Paigey first. We call her Paigey sometimes. Do you have a nickname, Emma? Stir, stir.
Not really.
Keep the stirring, and we'll probably add more.
This looks more gold than green.
Well, you know, you also have a green bowl, so that may be making it look a different color. So let's stir in slowly. You keep stirring. There.
It's getting harder to stir.
Oh, yours is it starting to quack? It's starting to look like slime. Let's put the rest of your starch in. Keep stirring.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Keep stirring, Emma.
Oh, so cool. But can we add gold glitter into this?
We're gonna add beads.
Oh. Oh my god, this is hard.
Now sometimes you have to add more starch, we found out, because you don't want your slime to be too sticky. You don't want it to stick to your skin.
Yeah.
So we found that you have to test it, and sometimes you have to add more starch. So
can it be mine?
Let's add the rest of your starch. Emma, I'm going to add the rest of yours, and
Can
you
I
just
do mine?
Yes, but yeah, you can do yours. You keep stirring, 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 and I have more starch.
It's sticking to the bowl. Oh my gosh.
And here we have more starch. What's yours feeling like? Lift yours up and see, and lift yours up and see. Well, they're both coming out green. This is exciting. I'm going to give you more starch.
Why? It's like a
because we put green in your gold, and she put gold in her green, and all that glitter made them look very similar. Keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir.
I think I stirred enough.
Well, I think it looks kind of sticky, so I think we'll add a little more. Okay, and then at this point,
can we start with our hands?
At this point, we may be ready to get started with hands.
Yes. So can I go start with my hand?
This is quite the experiment.
Can we please start with our
Yes,
hands?
you can. Now we have to mix beads.
Yes. Can we do gold beads in mine since it looks so sticking?
You can use whatever beads. Here's your beads.
Okay.
Use whatever beads you want.
Okay. Can we use the sequins? Can we use some glitter?
Do you want to put some gold glitter in yours?
No, I want to put some gold glitter in mine.
Don't put it all in. Do you want? I don't think you need green glitter in yours.
Okay.
It's sticky. That means you need more starch, honey.
Ah.
Keep your hands. Okay, mix that in. Mix, mix, mix.
Okay. Gold glitter.
Is that sticking to your hands, Paige?
No, not so.
Okay. We found when we practiced this
Yeah, it's like
that sometimes you need a little more starch if it's still sticking to your hands.
And if it turns green when you do gold, you can just add gold glitter. Or gold beads. That's an easy fix. Easy. Oh my god.
Is it getting less sticky?
But mine's so glittery. Yeah.
Do you think it needs more starch?
Glitter. I guess it's enough. It's slimy though.
It doesn't seem to be sticking to you like it did before. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Will it?
Do beads?
Yes.
I want gold.
You want gold. Here's gold.
I'm not going to add so many beads because I don't want that many beads.
Oh, well. I would add them in your bowl for starters, and then we can put the bowls aside and you can do it on your mats.
Okay, so do I have to do a lot, or can I just?
No, you do what you want to do.
Okay.
Till you get them looking the way you want them. I will tell you, you can dump them in and then you're going to squish them with your hands. Oh, and you might want to remove your rings. I'm going to remove my rings if you're wearing any. And who wants to give me some of their slime?
Not me.
Can I have a piece and add some beads?
I'll do it. Well,
okay.
Not yet. Mine already has beads.
Yeah, yours already has beads.
I know.
This is a little sticky. I'm going to try just a little.
Woo! I love this. Oh my.
You want to? I know. Dip your hand in a little bit of slime.
Oh, guys.
Dip your hands in a little bit of starch.
After we're going to put it in these
and rub it in.
So, yeah. Rainbows and glitter!
Ooh. We have pots of gold.
Pots of gold.
Pots of gold for our slime.
Gold.
I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try. You know what? Before I do this, I'm gonna put a few green beads in my slime.
Those aren't green. Those are teal. Just let you know.
They look green to me. Close enough. Teal is a shade of green.
It's blue and green.
Oh, it's mixed together, blue and green. That's true.
Which makes teal. So,
right. So,
oh, glitter's falling down.
Let me see if I can get it in my pot of gold.
Oh my god. That looks ridiculous. Oh my gosh. No,
I did it!
No,
it's sinking. I think I need a little bit more. Can I have a little more of yours and a little more of yours, please? Oh, and she's putting tons of beads and sequins. Oh, you're gonna
And make it gold.
Woo!
Make it look like it's gold. Make it gold, gold. Oh.
Oh, look, mine is starting to go over the edge. It's definitely slime.
Definitely.
It keeps moving.
Keep
Moving.
Bump, bump, and keep moving. Bump.
Okay, let's put them together.
This is my extra slime.
I'm going to put mine in the middle, and I'm going to put... Are you done?
I guess.
If you're not done, I don't want to rush you. Oh. Whoops.
We have all our things ready.
Look at that. Make a wish. Luck of the Irish.
I wish to have a unicorn.
What do you wish?
I can't say it.
Oh, you can't say it. Hers
Yes,
is
you
a
can.
private wish.
No. If you don't say it, then
I wish for happiness for everyone and a happy St. Patrick's Day.
I hope these pants.
Hey, let's say happy St. Patrick's Day and say goodbye to everyone.
Bye. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Can you wave, Emma? Bye. Thanks for joining us.
Peace.
Have fun making slime.
Slime, slime, slime.